little vultures, and today we're at this weird angle because I'm having a lot of rearrangements happen in my room, as you can tell, because I'm actually on my bed, but my bed is now against the window instead of against the wall, against the tapestry side, so this is gonna be fun. So today's unboxing, we have the bone box for February 2020. Alright, so right when we open up our box for the month, we get our little shoot and share card to encourage everybody to go ahead and share what they have received within this box for the month. For a little addition of the box, this box is priced at $24.99, and we have a coyote claw for $2. Just that there. Alright, next up, we have our little thing of bubble wrap. We got a pocket gopher. Okay, so opening this up to take out the skull and rearrange it a little. Probably should have the little sticker on the side so you can still read the card from the bottom. Fuck, that's gonna fuck with my OCD. Now onto the skull. This little itty bitty guy. Oh, this is really hard. This is a really, really tiny piece. Cool, let's try to get it on my hand without moving the jaw too much. Our little pocket gopher skull for the box of January 2020. Ooh, okay. Okay. Before I put him back in his little box, I'm just gonna go ahead and read off that. And the little scientific cue card says, the pocket gopher. There are 37 species of pocket gophers found in North America. These small specialized animals have heavy front limbs well adapted for burrowing. They live most of their lives underground in elaborate tunnels and emerge only at night, mainly to breed. The name pocket gopher comes from their large cheek pouches to store food. So it's not because they're pocket-sized. Nope. He's gonna be sitting like that with his mouth wide open, apparently. It was just the easiest way to put him back in here. Alright, and that was priced at $35, which beats the entire price of the box. Now, we have our little animal card. And our little animal card has class, order, family, genus, and species. We have Mammalia, Rodentia, Geomidae, and various species. Diet herbivore and range North America. This month's bone box delivers you the gopher. The pocket gopher's name originates from the presence of fur-lined cheek pouches that sit outside both sides of their mouths. These pockets can be filled with food or tunneling debris. Gophers are fossorial, meaning they spend their lives underground creating a network of tunnels. The tunnels closer to the surface of the ground are used to collect food, such as plants, roots, and stems. The deeper tunnels contain areas for nesting and food storage. Their anatomy allows them to quickly maneuver through these tunnels using large claws at the end of their short, muscular limbs. Look at your gopher's incisors. There are 4 large teeth at the front of their mouth. Examine closely and you'll notice the grooves of their teeth. These grooves can be used to identify the various genera and species of the pocket gopher. These teeth will continue to grow throughout the animal's life to help them dig through the earth while eating root systems and other plants. Well, maybe I'll find out what groove of the teeth means what species this one is, but right now I do not know, and I'm gonna go because I can't stop yawning, and that means it's time to take off this makeup and be ready for the night. So without further ado, I hope you guys have a lovely day. And until next time, bye-bye.